Mastering idioms, unpacking, butter up the voters. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of idioms. Specifically, we're going to unpack the meaning and usage of the phrase, butter up the voters. Idioms are a fascinating part of the English language, offering a peek into the cultural and historical nuances that make English so vibrant. Let's explore together. The phrase, butter up, is an idiom that means to flatter or compliment someone, usually with the intention of gaining a favor or making them more amenable to a request. Picture spreading butter on bread, making it more appealing. Similarly, when you butter someone up, you're making your requests or presents more palatable to them through flattery. When we say, butter up the voters, we're applying this concept to the political context. Politicians or their supporters might butter up the voters by praising them, making promises, or offering incentives. The underlying goal is to sway voters, making them more likely to support a certain candidate or cause. This idiom highlights the strategic, and sometimes manipulative, aspects of political campaigns. Let's see how this phrase can be used in sentences. The candidate visited local communities to butter up the voters before the upcoming election. Campaigns often involve efforts to butter up the voters with promises of tax cuts and other benefits. These examples show the phrase in action, demonstrating how it's used to describe efforts to win favor with voters. Understanding idioms like butter up the voters is crucial for English language learners because idioms often don't make sense when translated literally. Recognizing and learning the meanings of idioms can greatly improve comprehension and fluency in English, especially in contexts like news, politics, and everyday conversations. And that's a wrap on butter up the voters. We hope this exploration has shed light on not just the phrase itself but also the intriguing ways language reflects culture and human behavior. Remember, idioms are a window into the soul of a language, offering endless opportunities for discovery and learning. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.